Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ahmad Rizki Pranata, with the student ID number 234111015, from class MNJ23C. On this occasion, I will be presenting material for the Industrial Psychology course, with the topic Basic Concepts of Industrial Psychology. This topic provides a crucial foundation for understanding how human behavior is studied and managed in the workplace and organizations. Amidst industrial development and increasingly complex work demands, understanding the psychological aspects of the workforce is essential. Therefore, this presentation aims to provide a more comprehensive understanding of the role of industrial psychology. Industrial psychology is a branch of psychology that studies human behavior in the context of work, organizations, and industrial environments. Its primary focus is how individuals think, behave, and act when carrying out their roles as workers. Industrial psychology views employees not only as production resources but also as individuals with psychological and emotional needs and potential that need to be developed. In its application, industrial psychology seeks to bridge the interests of the organization and its employees. Organizations demand productivity, efficiency, and target achievement, while employees expect job satisfaction, recognition, and opportunities for growth. Industrial psychology exists to balance these two interests to create healthy and sustainable working relationships. To understand the broader application of industrial psychology, we need to examine its scope. Industrial psychology encompasses a wide range of organizational activities, one of which is the employee recruitment and selection process. Through a psychological approach, companies can assess an individual's suitability for the job, thereby minimizing misplacement. Furthermore, industrial psychology plays a role in designing employee training and development programs to continuously improve their skills and competencies. Other areas of expertise include performance assessment, work motivation, and employee job satisfaction. Industrial psychology helps organizations understand the factors that influence employee morale and behavior, such as reward systems, leadership styles, and the work environment. Furthermore, industrial psychology plays a role in maintaining mental health, occupational safety, and managing stress in the workplace. In this discussion, it's also important to distinguish industrial psychology from other disciplines often considered similar, such as human resource management. Industrial psychology focuses more on the scientific analysis of human behavior, including employee attitudes, perceptions, personalities, and emotions. Meanwhile, human resource management places more emphasis on workforce management policies, systems, and procedures. Thus, industrial psychology can be understood as a behavioral foundation that supports decision-making in organizational management. In this regard, industrial psychology is also closely related to the application of psychological theories in real-world work situations. Motivation theory is used to understand the factors driving employee morale, leadership theory helps explain how leadership style affects team performance, and personality theory is used to understand individual differences at work. Understanding these theories helps organizations create a more humane and effective work approach. Furthermore, in terms of its objectives, industrial psychology aims to create optimal working conditions for organizations and employees. From an organizational perspective, industrial psychology helps improve productivity, efficiency, and the quality of human resources. From an employee perspective, industrial psychology aims to improve job satisfaction, psychological well-being, and the overall quality of work life. In the modern workplace, the role of industrial psychology is becoming increasingly important. Organizations face challenges such as technological change, global competition, and high work demands. Through an industrial psychology approach, companies can build a positive work culture, enhance teamwork, and reduce conflict and workplace stress. Thus, industrial psychology contributes not only to the achievement of company goals but also to the long-term sustainability of the organization. In conclusion, it can be concluded that industrial psychology is the study of human behavior in the workplace with the goal of creating a balanced relationship between employees and the organization. The effective application of industrial psychology can improve performance and well-being, as well as create a healthy and productive work environment. That concludes my presentation on the basic concepts of industrial psychology. I hope this material has broadened our understanding. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.